Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study stock market graphs. We'll start by identifying the core components of any chart, like the price axis and time axis. Understanding these fundamental elements is crucial for interpreting market movements. We'll also look at how trading volume is typically represented and its importance. This foundational knowledge will set you up to recognize basic trend patterns effectively. Next, let's dive into candlestick charts, which offer rich insights into price action. The body of a candlestick shows the opening and closing prices, while the wicks indicate the high and low. A green or white body often signals a bullish move, while a red or black body suggests a bearish one. Always consider trading volume alongside candlesticks. High volume confirms strong price movements. Identifying support and resistance levels is key to understanding price boundaries. Support is where a downward trend might pause, while resistance is where an upward trend could face a ceiling. We'll also explore how to spot clear upward and downward trends. Using tools like moving averages can help confirm these trends, giving you a clearer picture of market direction. Now, let's bring everything together to make more informed trading decisions. Remember, combining different indicators provides a much stronger signal than relying on just one. Consistent practice with historical data is essential for honing your skills and building confidence. Also, for those who love to read and learn on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll improve your graph analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.